Good morning, boys and girls, ladies and gents. We are in Chiang Mai and this is our first full day here. First full day, we were here yesterday, went to the markets and stuff like that, had a bit of an explore, but didn't really do much. Today we're heading out to a place called Sticky Waterfall, which is a short scooter ride out into the mountains, and apparently it's a waterfall you can just walk up. So yeah, that's kind of the plan today. We've both got a scooter. Charlie wants to practice riding before she gets to Vietnam. And yeah, that's pretty much the mood of the day. Let's go. Why don't you have a look at this? It's a helmet that fits. This is a miracle. I've never had one of these. Bikes here, we are almost at the waterfall. We're no longer going to Sticky Waterfall. Sticky Waterfall was too far and it is seriously hot, it's sweltering. So we're just going to go to a waterfall just up the road a little bit, which also you're allowed to swim in. You can't swim in Sticky Waterfall because there's not enough water. Charlie is filling up the fuel. We're about to head off. Can you tell it's hot here? I reckon it's 39. Charlie reckons it's 39. I have sweat dripping out of everywhere. It's just really hot. Like, really, really hot. We are here, we've made it to the waterfall. And yeah, we're going for a dip because it's hot. Alrighty then, so that was waterfall number 10. There are 9 others on the way down, but most of them are pretty busy, to be honest. Lots of locals having picnics and lots of tourists up here as well. We, Charlie and I, are slowly but surely making our way back down towards the motorbikes now, probably having a look at some more spots on the way. Worth a visit here, I think, very much. He's stuck.
Oh,
Lunched, feeling pretty thumbs up really. It was just fried rice and chicken. It's very nice. Charlie's papaya salad looked funny because it looked exactly like fried rice and chicken. Apparently tasted exactly like fried rice and chicken as well, which confuses a little bit, but yeah, all in all pretty good. We are about to jump back on the bikes and head all the way back through all of that horrible traffic. The road systems in and out of Chiang Mai probably aren't the best I've ever witnessed. Also, bear in mind, we got fined 400 baht because we didn't have international driver's licenses with us. You have to have your international driver's license, or you pay a 400 baht fine and then you can just drive for 3 days anyway. Does that seem weird? Does that seem weird to anyone else that you have to pay a massive fine for not having a driving license? But it's okay, just drive it for 3 days once you get this slip of paper. Only country I've been fined for not having an international driver's license in, but it's okay. These things happen. So, heading back into Chiang Mai, and then hopefully something interesting going on tonight. We'll have to let you know. We are heading out for our obligatory cultural activity of the evening, which is of course Muay Thai. We are here ringside live at the Muay Thai event thing. I'm here with Charlie McAvoy, who is an ex-professional Muay Thai fighter. And what do you think about the contestants tonight, Charlie?
They're invisible.
They are invisible. And anything else?
Excellent form.
Excellent form coming into today's fight. It's going to be a real experience for you guys. Okay, Thai boxing done. Pretty impressed. I mean, some of it was dubious or awful, but there were definitely bits which were worth a watch. Going to bed now. I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye.